What's up guys, it's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys a very simple step-by-step method I can use and start making some extra money very fast online guys. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel as well to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online, clickbank methods and online earning methods. And you want to learn my most recommended method to start making money online fast, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So be sure to watch the video step by step till the end and take action on this method, and you can start getting some results and start making money online with this particular method I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys step by step so you can start making some extra money. So let's get into the video guys. So with this method, I'm going to show you guys a very simple service that you can go and do for completely free and start making some extra money very fast. So if you go to Fiverr, so let's go to fiverr.com. So we go to Fiverr and you type, for example, YouTube intro. You're going to find a lot of results of people that are doing YouTube intro and YouTube outros, and they're selling it for very high amounts on Fiverr. So you can see this one, $50, this one, $15, $20. And I'll show you guys in one of my videos how you can go and create these videos very easily. So I'll show you guys, if you have watched some of my videos, I'll show you guys how you can go and create YouTube intros and create YouTube outros, and you can sell this gig on Fiverr. So if you watch some of my videos, I'll show you guys this website, panzoid.com. So panzoid.com is a website that you can go and create these intros and outros very easily for completely free. So if you go to this website, panzoid.com, you're going to see a lot of templates. You can create YouTube intros that people already want, and you can sell them very easily. So today I'm going to show you guys some simple methods that you can go and sell these YouTube intros and outros very easily. So if you go to panzoid.com and you want to create an intro, so you can just click on any of these templates. So you can click on the templates. So these are the templates for intro. There are also many other templates for outros. So let's open this one in Clickmaker. So let me just show you guys step by step how easy it is for you to go and create this type of intros on this website. So you can see the intro, so that's how it's going to look like. So that's a simple intro, and you can see these are different templates. So there are different templates. If you click on any of these other templates, you're going to find different templates. So let's click on this one, for example. So you can see templates, so you can preview. So what you can do guys is that you can just go and create these simple templates, and you can go and provide this simple service on Fiverr. So all you have to do is just go and list this service on Fiverr, and once somebody need a YouTube intro, all you have to do is just go to panzoid.com and you can go and create these YouTube intros very easily. So for you to master how to create these YouTube intros and outros, is very easy guys. So all you have to do is just go and do on YouTube. So if you just go to YouTube and type, for example, how to create a YouTube intro on Panzoid, you're going to find all these tutorials. I'm going to show you step by step how you can go and create these YouTube intros very easily for completely free on panzoid.com, and you can sell on Fiverr. So this method today guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can also go and make a lot of money if you are going to be creating these YouTube intros. So what I'm going to do is that if you create these YouTube intros, so if you go and learn how to create these YouTube intros in this video, that's going to show you guys step by step how to do this very easily for completely free. So one of the best ways that I'm going to show you guys today that you can go and sell these YouTube intros very easily is to go to Twitter guys. So if you go to Twitter, I'm going to show you guys another method you can go and sell this service very easily as well. So if you go to Twitter, and all you have to do is just go and type on the search bar. So all you have to do is type on the search bar. You're going to put quotes. You're going to put quotes, open quotes, and type, for example, I need YouTube intro. And you're going to close it with a quote. And you're going to click on search. You're going to find a lot of results of people that are interested in buying YouTube intros, and they have posted it on Reddit. So you can see this one, for example, I need to buy a YouTube intro, willing to pay $5 to $20. So this is a simple skill that you can just go and sell right now after you have learned in the YouTube video guys. So this is a simple skill. So you can see people are needing YouTube intro. I need a YouTube intro. You can see if you are going down, you're going to find a lot more people that are posting on that they need YouTube intros, and all you have to do is just go and reply to the messages, and I'm going to provide the YouTube intros, and they're going to pay you some extra money. So all you have to do is just click on latest. So you click on latest, you're going to see the recent ones that have just been recently posted. So you're going to see a lot of results guys. So you can see a lot of results. I need YouTube intro, and all you have to do is just go and message them. So from here, all you have to do is just click on reply. You're going to send a message to them, and you're going to say that you can create YouTube intros, and all you have to do is you're going to negotiate on the price, and they're going to pay you a little fee, and you can create these YouTube intros, and you're going to send them the YouTube intros. So that's how easy it is for you to go and find clients that are already ready to pay you a lot of money to create their YouTube intros very easily, guys. So all you have to do from here is that you're going to change the keyword. So if you change the keyword, you're going to find different results on Twitter. So that's how Twitter works. If you change the keywords, you're going to find different results. So let's say, for example, we want to type I need YouTube intro instead of I need YouTube intro. We want to type I want YouTube intro. So let's go back to home and let's type I want YouTube intro instead of I need YouTube intro. So let's type for this I want YouTube intro. So you type I want YouTube intro, you're going to find different results, guys. So you can see these are people that they need YouTube intro, and all you have to do is message these people and you're going to provide them their YouTube intros, and you can negotiate a price and you're going to make a lot of money if you're going to be providing this YouTube intro. So if you click on latest, I'm going to find the latest tweets that people have tweeted on Twitter that they want YouTube intros. So that's it, guys. So you can just go and type different keywords and you're going to find a lot of different results on Twitter. So the next website I'm going to show you guys that you can go and provide this service very easily is people per hour. So what you're going to do at people per hour is that if you're going to sign up for a free account, so this is a freelancing website like Fiverr as well, you are going to be providing this service on Fiverr. All you have to do is just go and click on this search icon and you're going to go to projects. So once you sign up for a free account as a freelancer, all you have to do is go and click on search on projects. So that's what you want to do. You want to go and create a gig, so you can go and create a gig on the marketplace. But what you want to do to find a lot of jobs that can make a lot of more money faster is to go and search projects, and you're going to find a lot of projects that people are already willing to pay you some amount of money to do their jobs very easily. So let's say, for example, we want to provide this YouTube intro service on people per hour. So what you want to do is click on search and go to projects, and you're going to find people that are already ready to pay you money for the YouTube intros. So what you're going to do from here is that you can just search, for example, YouTube intro. So you search YouTube intro, you're going to find people that are already searching for freelancers to do their YouTube intros, and all you have to do is just go and send your proposal, and you're going to get the job and you're going to pay this amount of money. So you can see this person is looking for a YouTube intro, and you can see it's fixed price. The fixed price is up to $150. So you can see this one intro for YouTube video, so you can see $50. You can see this other one $66. This one is YouTube ads, so this is not what we're looking for. And we said you're going to find a lot of different people that are providing this simple service, guys. So these are people that already need these services, and you can just go and provide them these services. So all you have to do is just go and sign up for this website. You can just go and send these proposals, and if you are getting hired, you're going to make a lot of money if you're going to providing this simple service. As I show you guys in the other video, also go and provide this service on Fiverr, because people are making a lot of money from these simple YouTube intros and outros on Fiverr. So let's say, for example, see this person is providing this service for up to $50. And this is a very simple service that you can just go and provide using this free tool that I've shown you guys. And the training that is showing you guys is going to show you guys step by step till the end. So this first video is up to 37 minutes. It's going to show you step by step how you can go and create these YouTube intros on panzoid.com very easily, step by step, and master how to create these YouTube intros. And you can provide it on Fiverr as well. So you can see this person has up to 848 reviews, and not everybody reviews on Fiverr, so he has made a lot of money from providing this simple service. So let's estimate how much he's making from selling this simple service on Fiverr. So let's say they're paying $40. It's just going to be 848 times 40. That's going to be up to almost $33,000, guys. So you can see the potential if you go and start providing this simple service, and you can start making a lot of money, guys. So what you can also do, guys, is that you can also go to YouTube, and you're going to find YouTube channels that doesn't have YouTube intros and outros. And what you can do is that you can go and send them a message, and you're going to propose to create a YouTube intro and YouTube outro for the YouTube channel. So to do that, guys, so let's say for example we want to search for different channels on YouTube. So let's say for example, let's type for example money. So what you're going to do is that you're going to enter different keywords on YouTube, and what you're going to do is that you're going to search on channel. So you're going to click on channel, and you're going to find a lot of different channels that are using this keyword. So let's say for example, so these are different channels, so you're going to input different channels. So let me just say for the example, you're going to see this channel. All you have to do is go to the YouTube channel, and most of the time they have their email address in the about section that you can go and contact them. So you click on this, you're going to see view email address, you're going to submit this. So if you submit this, you're going to see their email address, and you're going to go and contact these people, and you can propose to make a YouTube intro if they don't have a YouTube intro on their YouTube channel. So that's a simple method you can just go and follow right today, and you can start making some extra money very fast online. So that's what I want to share with you guys that you can use and start making some extra money right now. And all you have to do is just take action on this. You can see other people are already making a lot of money providing simple service. So you can see this person has up to 1000 reviews selling this simple service on Fiverr that you can go and learn for completely free, and I can start providing this simple service on different websites as I've shown you guys. So that's it. If you found one in this video, be sure to leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods. I want to learn my most recommended method to start making money online fast as well. Be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.